Oo. Pero yung offensive rebound, libre na din talent.
Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game, Calvin Oftana, and winning head coach, Chot Reyes. Coach, during the game, PNP was leading, but during the fourth quarter, Meralco climbed back and nagtay pa nga yung game. What happened during the fourth quarter, and how was the team able to remain composed to get that win?
Not only did they tie, they led. They grabbed the lead from us, right? First of all, we expected it. We had no illusions that it was going to be an easy game. Even when we were up by 20, we knew that Meralco had the capability to come back. And we were besieged by our foul trouble. And that's why when they made that run, Ronde and Poy Era were on the bench. But the key to their run was our turnovers. So in the third quarter, we committed like 5 or 6 turnovers that allowed them to get their offense on track. That was the problem. So in the end, we were able to settle down and not panic even when they grabbed the lead. We just stayed within ourselves, and in the end, the players make big plays. I guess that's the story.
Thanks, Coach. Calvin, first game back after a long break. Gaano kalaking tulong yung long break sa inyo? And how was the team able to not lose their rhythm?
Hindi naman lahat nag-break talaga nung long break eh. May before Christmas nag-training naman yung ibang. So I think yung iba ready lang palagi. Yung mga heavy minutes binigyan ng leeway ni coach. And those break naman, we don't take it as a break lang eh. Nagpapa-condition din kami. Siyempre may liga pa. Ang trabaho namin yun. And we're happy na nanalo kami ngayon. Kasi our first game, yun nga, sobrang on cloud pa yung isip namin. At least now, tapos na yung December kasi yun eh. So nag-iisip na ng bakasyon yung mga yung sa Pasko eh. So ngayon, nasa on track na kami, nasa focus na ng team, and we're happy we got this week.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, with this win, ano kalaking bagay yung going into this another big game Saturday against Converge on a winning run?
Well, tama ka. We talked about it actually. We wanted to start strong because we thought that it would be a good springboard for the rest of our conference. We're going to come up and play against a very hot team and that's playing at a very high level. So I'm glad we were able to get this game, get this W. But we have to play much better if we're going to be able to compete against Converge. So we have to take a look at the video and get our work done in practice to be ready for our next game.
Coach, yung Converge, they have a good, dalawang magaling na guards, si Stockton and Heading, then Rana and Justin Baltasar. How will you counter those players and of course si Prembong Converge?
Yeah, with a lot of difficulty. It's good that Kelly is here already. We didn't use him today because he's already had 3 practices pero wala pa siyang full scrimmage. But we have this next couple of days for Kelly to get back into the swing of things because we'll definitely need him against Converge. But you're right, not only do they have those 2 good guards and 2 good wings, they have 3 really good guards. Shawnee, Heading, and Stockton. And then kompleto sila. Then they have those wings in Racal and even Mike Nieto. Then like you said, their big man lineup with Balti and Aranya. And then they have an import that they love playing with and fits their game perfectly. So kompleto, very deep, very well-balanced team. So like I said, we have our work cut out for us in our next game.
Calvin, napagpatuloy mo kasi yung shooting mo, maganda yung percentage mo. Napapansin mo ba na parang kahit medyo binabantayan ka na ng mas maigi kasi nga nag-start ka sa conference ng Yun nga, may 6-3s ka, maraming pantres. And paano ka nag-adjust dun sa depensa na binibigay sa Meralco?
Kumpiyansa. Mataas ang kumpiyansa ko eh. Kasi ginagawa ko naman yun sa training eh. So I think yun naman yung sikreto nun. And syempre, di mawawala yung mga coaches, mga kasama ko, giving me leeway na tumira and coach set me place para makatira. So yun, just giving it back to them na yung tiwala nila sa akin.
Coach, may difference ba with the way you're giving the green light to Calvin this conference, or it has been the same way even past conference?
I wouldn't say so. We're running our stuff, and the key is, first of all, selflessness. The players have to be very selfless, and awareness. They have to be aware where Calvin is. They have to be aware Roger and Ronde are at all times. Kasi hindi naman kami bumababa ng walang depensa. Like today, in the second half, hindi na iniwan talaga si Calvin. Talagang inasawa na siya ng tao niya. That's why we needed Roger to step up, and Jason hit that big three, Roger hit that big three. So, ganun ang laro namin eh. We give a lot of, we empower our players to make plays. And the key really is their selflessness and their awareness. They have just to be aware what the situation is. And then they have to be very willing. So even Calvin, when he was sitting well, he was still making very good passes and making good decisions. So,
Coach, your offense is clicking, but are you happy sa defense nyo? Kasi medyo mataas pa rin yung nabibigay yung production, points sa kalaban.
I was very happy with our first half defense, but the second half they scored 60 points or something because we turned the ball over too much. So hirap talaga. There's no real good defense against turnovers. So yun ang naging problema. So that's still every time we caught them in a half-court game, we were able to stop them. A good percentage of stops until we got into that foul trouble. Without Poy and Ronde, two of our best defenders, obviously our defense suffered. So that's a point of concern for us moving forward. If we are able to maintain 48 minutes of good defense the way we defended in the first half today.
That
Okay.
Ayos!
concludes our post-game press conference.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.